wettest channel on the internet.
How you doing, guys? And we're back in time in the water. Well, guys, today we're leaving from the back of the house, and you know what that means? We don't have to worry about ramps closing because they're full, or about time, because we leave when we want to and we come back when we want to. How you doing, guys? And welcome back, and we're back on the water once again. We're not giving up. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you noticed that yesterday I kind of deleted a message because we were heading over to Stump Pass. That's north of Boca Grande, where the real pretty Sandbar is. But today we're gonna try to attempt to go over there again one more time, because we're not giving up. We're gonna take the journey from the back of our house all the way past Boca Grande, past Placinda, Sandbar, and keep heading north. I think it's gonna take us about 2 hours to get there, and that is a cruising speed about 30 miles an hour. Got a full tank of gas, and we're gonna go. You ready? There you go.
En el agua.
Oh, look, she's looking like a water bandit. Look at her. You know why? She said she want to protect her face.
Us young people have to protect our faces.
Today is a solo ride. Boom. Me and Obida are gonna take the journey because the ride is long. Remember, it's 2 hours there, 2 hours back. So it's gonna be interesting. I'm down to do it, you know. Plus, it gives me a new place to explore. But the day is beautiful here. You like it today? Yeah, the water is it's cool.
No, yesterday was super good. I like it.
Okay. We have different temperature gauges in our bodies, I guess. I think it was a little cool.
No, I don't like cold water, and yesterday was
No, it wasn't cold, it was cool.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
Summer is more fun in the sun. So, enough talking, and back to the driving. And yep, talking about driving, it's gonna be a long one. I kind of calculated on Google Maps, and it's about 45 miles away from the house, more or less. So definitely gotta put on some sun protection, because the water acts like a giant mirror, so all the sun rays reflect back on your face. And we have done this ride before. If I remember correctly, I think this is gonna be our third time going up north to Boca Grande, 2 from the house and 1 time from Pine Island Marina. And the place that we're aiming to go today is a little bit north from Boca Grande. And definitely, it doesn't matter where you go, north or south, you still have to pass by the miserable mile. And you already know that to us, it doesn't really matter. And today, I think we're gonna change the name one more time to the Dancing Mile. Well, if we're gonna characterize it correctly, we're gonna call it the Salsa Mile. Well, I guess like you can see, Olguita today got lots of energy, because normally for her, this is a sleepy mile. Or maybe she's just excited because today we're going to a new place. And while Olguita keeps dancing through the Dancing Mile, we're gonna go ahead and enjoy myself and watching all the boats go by. And just like yesterday, there was a lot of boat traffic, and so is today. And can you imagine
summer not even here yet. We have about 3 more weeks to go. We even got dolphin traffic because this is the second pair we see today. Well, we're gonna leave the miserable mile behind and get up to speed. And normally here, we cut a left and head over to Sandbar or Fort Myers, but when we wanna go up north, we have to hang a right. And what I noticed about the hopper, what I like to do is set it up at 4,000 RPM. The boat cruises about 31 miles an hour and it makes it a very smooth, comfortable ride. And right now we're cruising by Picnic Island. And if you're familiar with the area, we are at the most southern point of Cape Coral. Well, as you can see, the ride is pretty smooth except for occasional bumps from the big boats. And right now we're getting closer and closer because we're cruising by Cabbage Key. And on this island there is a restaurant that is very popular with the locals here, and they have a very tasty hamburger that most of the boaters stop by and have lunch. But not us, not today, maybe in the future. Wow, this is unexpected to see this beautiful yacht cruising through these waters. And talking about cruising, I knew the ride was going to be too long for her to stay awake the whole time. Now here's something I saw, and I had to slow down and take a look because there was a lot of boaters anchored out by the mouth of the inlet. And it made me really curious, but I knew if I went over there, it was going to take up a lot of time and make the ride even longer. So we decided to keep going forward. And within 15 minutes or so, we have reached our destination. Well, not really. This is actually Placinda Sandbar, but we're not gonna stop here either. We're just gonna cruise right by and keep going forward. And as you can see, this is a very popular spot for the local boaters and people that come visit and charter boats and come hang out at the sandbar. And the good thing about it is there's actually 2 sandbars because there is an old railroad track that splits the sandbar into 2. So it makes it a west side sandbar and an east side sandbar, accommodating lots of boaters like you see here today. And depending on the tide, the water here, it gets crystal clear also too. And if you're lucky, you can also see the dolphins swim by. And if you want to see more on this place, I have a few videos that I'm gonna leave a link below and you guys can check them out. Well, as you can see, this place is amazing. And there you have the old abandoned railroad track. But this is the north side. And I also noticed you guys really enjoyed yesterday's video. We visited a new place by Sandbar. And also today we're going to visit a new place. So we're not going to stop here. We're going to keep going on our way.
Dolphin still there? What? Yeah, that guy's gonna run him over.
And now we're cruising by the inlet of Gasparilla Island. And I guess this spot is also popular with the locals. And look at that, something that caught my eye on the island. They're making a brand new home, and check out the architecture. It has a very unique design. Now we have passed the inlet and we made it out to the Gulf. And there's people here too, enjoying the beautiful day in the water. And luck hit us one more time, because now this is going to be our third sighting of dolphins in one day. Yeah.
All right, guys, so we changed locations. We actually found this beautiful beach here, and it's semi-private because there's a few boaters here, but it's beautiful. And the water, look at this, look at the water. Look at the water, guys. This is amazing. Look at the water here.
It's amazing.
Look at that. You can see the shells, everything. Maybe we saw dolphins coming here. So you like it here?
Oh my God, I think it's just gorgeous.
Yeah, this is, I think this is the mouth of, I forgot the mouth of what. I guess I have to get my information, but I think this is the mouth of Gasparilla Island. But the water here is beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this. For all the Miami people talking about West Coast got dirty water, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's like Bimini water. It's amazing. Wow, look at that. You like it, this water?
I know it.
All right, give your opinion. Give your opinion to the audience.
I love it, and I love the peacefulness. This is like...
You love the peacefulness? So we were planning to go hang out at the Sandbar like you saw. We cruised by it. We're gonna go over there in a little bit, but right now we're gonna hang out here. Get some It's relaxing time because it's beautiful here. My gosh, water is beautiful.
So calm, and there's dolphins just like.
Oh my God, there's no noise. It's like all you hear is the waves breaking. All right, guys. So look at this. It's time to do the water test. Put my ladder down. Let's do the water test here. Oh my God! Wait until you jump in the water. It is
Warm?
nice, perfect. The water here is perfect. Oh my gosh! Look at guys. Look. You can see my feet. Look. Just fall down. This is amazing here. Loving it. Oh my gosh! Perfect. We found a little private spot for us. And this is amazing here. Oh my gosh! Love it. Loving it. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is great.
Go see what type of shells they have.
Oh boy, okay, they're gonna steal your shells again. But it's amazing. Oh my gosh. I gotta be honest though, I haven't seen the West Coast water this clear. Because it's super clear. We might go hang out at the Sandbar a little bit, but right now we're gonna enjoy the peace of quiet right here because it's amazing. Amazing. Loving it. Yeah, the water's great.
Oh my God.
Yeah, the water's amazing.
Oh my God. This is beautiful. Just for
Yeah.
us.
This is amazing, perfect.
Oh my God, I love it.
Look at this, guys. This is amazing here. Feels like you're at the Bahamas. Look at this. Oh, right now, look. It's so clear. Right now, it's about 2.5 feet of water. Look at that. You see the anchor and everything. This is amazing here. Wow, loving it. We got the little section for ourselves right here. Little private time. Love it. That's pretty, right? Let's see if I can see your feet. Look at that. You see your feet? Oh, you see the feet? Look how clear it is. Actually, it's like crystal clear. It's not even blue clear. It's crystal clear. Amazing. I like it a lot. It was worth the drive.
It goes deep right there?
Yeah, a little deeper there. Yeah, it was worth the drive. From behind the house, it was 2 hours and 26 minutes. We were cruising at 30 miles an hour. You know, we did hit 2 idle zones, but you know what? To me, I don't mind. You know, I didn't mind the travel distance. And the hopper's great on fuel. So far, I only wasted less than a quarter tank. And I only have 55 gallons. So I'm doing good so far. We're gonna hang out here, and then maybe later on jump over to the Sandbar. But right now we're gonna hang out here.
There's 3 right here.
Well, like you can see, once again, Oguita's at it again, picking up shells. I guess if it ain't sticks and trees, it's shells. And I guess it's my turn to do the labor work. And what do you guys think about this amazing place right here? Us, we love it, and definitely we're gonna come back in the future. But we're gonna leave you guys for now. But remember to tune in tomorrow because there is a part 2. We went over to the Sandbar, had lunch.
What time is it?
And hanged out with the boaters. And we got lucky one more time. So make sure to tune in tomorrow and don't miss it. And you can see how many amazing shells Oguita found.